Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share a scrapbook haul. This is from my local scrapbook store. I was there yesterday because I was picking up my monthly kit and love it. This is the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Indigo Garden. Oh, isn't it just beautiful? We'll go from the top and then get to the papers after. But this is the chipboard stickers. Are they just beautiful? And a lot of collections don't have a purple in it. And look at that purple. So awesome. And this is some enamel dots. Love the colors. This is some stickers, but they're like foam stickers. And it's two sides. And then some floral bits. There's 42 pieces. Look at those. Yes. And then some bits and pieces. And this one has 56 pieces. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, love it. Then the papers and the stickers. Let me move that box. So there's two sticker sheets. There is this one that is called banner stickers. So it's a whole bunch of, different sizes banners. Some of them go all the way across and some of them are just little, but then there's extra stickers everywhere. Gorgeous. Then this one is cardstock stickers. I love these. I'm going to build some page kits with this right away. Like for my April Patreon, I'm going to do, I don't know if I'll do all eight with this kit, but I'm going to do at least half, at least 4 that I'm going to use the papers and the embellishments. So here's the other sticker sheet and now the papers, all from the same collection. This nice pink and green, so I can choose whatever size I want as far as, for my background, because these are great for backgrounds. This is yellow and dark blue. Oh, gorgeous. Then white and pink. Beautiful. Then this one here is kind of a checkers pattern. And then these are some cards. That's going to be difficult to choose. I'll probably use a little bit of each. That would make a beautiful background, but I'll probably use the top 2 cards and then, I don't know, or maybe next month, what I can do is just buy a second sheet, It's $1 something, so then I can have 2 of each. This one, I'm okay with not using that, so I'll use these 4x4 cards. And then maybe that's what I'll do, because there's so many cards here. I can just use this and then use this. That's what I'll do instead of buying another sheet of paper. And then this is pretty. That's quite usable. And then some cards. So again, I'm going to cut those out. And the ones that I don't, let's say if I don't care about this row, well, I can use a strip of this. And then the butterflies, they're cute, but I can see using a little piece of that, not a lot. So definitely going to be cutting those out. I love these. Nice background, checkered. Yeah, I'm okay with not using that. So that's going to be a background. Ooh, that green with the polka dots. Yep, background. And then this is a nice background too. That's pretty. That's an easy page, right? It's basically built for you. So I don't know. I don't know what I'll use. If I come to this and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to use this, put a little photo there, just add a couple things and be done. Or I can use, it's like a dark blue, almost black background. This, too busy for my liking. So I'll probably use this side. Typically these, what I do is I'll just cut the flowers out and put it on another paper, just because then it feels like it has dimension. Or I could cut this out of here and then put it on a cardstock and then just put some foam tape so then it has a different layer. I could do that. That would be pretty. Like cut both sides, then leave it with this paper and just put foam tape and lift this up so it has dimension. Because right now it looks really flat, right? This is pretty but busy. So again, this I could cut around with an X-Acto knife or with scissors, pop it up and then use the rest, or use it on another sheet. This is pretty busy. So I'll probably use this side and just do the same thing. I love this. Pretty. Ooh, that's a nice background. Very, very nice. Yeah, I'll be using this for sure. That's pretty. The butterflies at least are small. That's pretty too, but it's too busy. So I'll probably use this in sections, just cut it up and use it on a few layouts. Okay, so that was my monthly kit. And then, you know, you walk into a scrapbook store, it can be a little dangerous. So I bought some stuff that I wanted. I'm not going to say needed, wanted. Okay, so I didn't have the distress ink in the Kitsch Flamingo. I only had the oxide. So I got the ink, and then I got the refill right away. And then I got the refill for my distress oxide. Okay, then I didn't have the Rustic Wilderness, so I got the ink, I got the oxide, and I don't know why, I just got the oxide. Maybe they didn't have the refill for the ink. I was pressed for time because Mason had a game, so I had like 15 minutes. So this was like rush. So I have on my phone the app for the Tim Holtz so that you can put into your phone everything that you have. So I'm going to make sure to put all this in. And then next time I'll go, I can just look on my app and I'll know that I'm missing the ink. Then I didn't have, this is my last embossing glaze. I have them all now, all the ones that are released, because I'm loving this. So I didn't have the Rustic Wilderness, so I got that. I did get the spray stain, and I should have got the oxide too. And then I would have had the whole collection of this, but I didn't. So again, I'm going to make sure that I get it next time, next month. And I got the Distress Spray Stain in the Kitsch Flamingo. And I already had the oxide for that. So that's why I only got the spray stain. I got some art glitter glue because for one of the pages we're doing on Scrapathon is some flock. And I wanted some good glue to put the flock over. So I got that. Then I got some Distress Texture Set. This was released at Halloween. So let me open it because I can't see the front. So this one is called Grave and the other one is called Crypt. And they're just, you know, little bottles. So there's not much in there, but I want to try it. See, it's a different color. So I'll make sure to use that very, very soon because I don't want to buy stuff and then it just hardens and I don't get to use it. But you can see the color there. Those are both paste. Then I've been buying the Distress Mini Archival. And I didn't have the containers for it. And just to show you, that's how they're different. So you can't use the Distress ink ones to put your Distress Archival. It is bigger. So this will fit 12. I got 24, so I'll have to buy another one at some other time, but at least I got the one. And then the last thing, I don't even know what this is, but I had to try it. It's called Matte Chalk Polish. Create a soft matte chalk effect on all your crafting project. But look at the color. Look at that baby blue. Oh! It says Cosmic Shimmer Matte Chalk Polish Aqua. And it, can you hear that? So it's liquid. So I can't wait to try that. I'm going to be using that very soon. But that's it. That's everything that I got at the Nook this time around. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.